In this video, I'm going to show you how he used Google Trends to make viral content and earn money through the YouTube Partner Program and TikTok Creator Fund. In fact, this channel has made over $20,000 just from ad revenue by doing exactly this.
Pretty cool, right?
Stick around because what we're going to create together will be even more engaging, helping us stand out from the crowd. You won't regret watching this, I promise.
Let's get started. Step 1. Channel optimization.
The first thing you need to do is create a YouTube channel. Open ChatGPT and ask it for 50 unique name ideas for a news YouTube channel. Pretty amazing, right? Let's go through the list and pick something interesting. I think
Insight Pulse
sounds cool. What do you guys think?
I'll go with that. Now, let's create our channel.
Just go to YouTube and log in using your Gmail account. Click on your profile, switch accounts, and then hit View All Channels. Finally, click on the Create a Channel button. Alright, let's head back to ChatGPT. Now, copy the name we chose for our channel and paste it into the text box on YouTube. Great. Now, check the box and click Create. Boom. Our channel is up and running. Next, we need to make it look professional. First, click on your profile icon again, then switch accounts and select the new channel we just created. Now, let's start customizing it. Click the customization button, then hit continue. After that, click on the basic info tab. Here, you can add a description. I'm going to write something simple like get the latest news from around the world. Next, let's move on to branding. We need to upload a channel logo and banner. To create the logo, we'll go back to ChatGPT and ask for 5 image prompts to help design a logo for our news channel. Look at that. ChatGPT just gave me 5 awesome prompts to use. Now, head over to your favorite image generator. Personally, I'm using Microsoft Copilot for this. Let's copy one of the prompts we got from ChatGPT and paste it into the image generator's text box. Hit enter and wait for the magic to happen. Wow, look at these images.
Pretty cool, right?
If you're not happy with the results, no worries, just try another prompt until you find one you love. I'm happy with this one, so I'll click the button to save it to my device.
Next, let's go to Canva.
Click on Create a Design, type in YouTube banner, and select it from the options. Now choose any template that catches your eye and customize it to your liking. Once you're happy with it, click the Share button, then hit Download to save it. Now, head back to your YouTube channel page and upload the profile logo and banner you just created. After that, click Publish and wait for the changes to update. Now let's take a look at our channel. Not bad, right? Next, we're going to create viral content using Google Trends and upload it to our channel. But we can't just pick any random topic, we need something that's trending. Trust me, this will boost the visibility of our video. There are a lot of ways to find trending topics, but since we're making news videos, the best tool to use is Google Trends. Just go to the video description and click on the Google Trends link. This will take you to a page where you'll see that the United States is selected by default. If we click on trending, now you'll see a bunch of topics that are currently trending. Check this one out, it's just 7 hours old and already 500,000 people are searching for it. Imagine if we make a video on this topic, it could get a lot of views. You can also change the location. Let's switch it to India and see what's trending there. Whoa, the same topic is trending, but this time over 1 million people are searching for it. Alright, let's highlight this topic, right click and choose Search Google for it. Now click on News. Scroll down a bit and you'll find tons of news articles we can use. Let's click on this one and copy the entire article to a Google Doc.
Awesome.
Now we need to turn this news article into a video script. To do that, copy the article, then head back to ChatGPT. Use this prompt, I have a news article and I want you to rewrite it into an engaging YouTube video script. After that, paste the article and hit enter.
Let's see what comes up. Great, our script is ready.
Click the copy button and paste it into a document. Make any small changes if needed, and now we're ready to move forward. Creating the video with Vidnaz. Now it's time to create the video and share it on YouTube. After hours of searching, I came across an incredible tool called Vidnaz. You won't believe how much this tool can do. It practically does everything for you. All you need to do is upload your script.
How awesome is that?
Once you're in, choose a template, then simply add your script. But wait, there's more. Let me show you something cool. On the left side, you'll find tools like AI avatars, voice cloning, and much more. But there's one tool I really want to highlight before we continue. Click on the AI Tools tab and you'll see a bunch of features to make content creation even easier. One thing I love about Vidnaz is that it allows you to translate and dub your videos with just one click for free.
Alright, let's keep going.
Click the home button and let's move on to the next step.
Awesome.
Now, to start creating your video, first select a template. You can choose from the options here or click on the tab to explore a wide variety of templates. They have everything from explainer and educational templates to business and tutorial templates. Take your time and find one that fits your niche perfectly. Since I'm creating a news video, I'm going with the breaking news category. There are so many great templates to choose from. If you're running a sports channel, there are even AI sports templates that look fantastic. I think I'm liking this one. Let's preview it.
Welcome to this template. Create videos to report hot news of the week.
Wow, this template is perfect for reporting hot news of the week. Let's go ahead and use it by clicking this button. Now, here's where the magic happens. We're going to edit our video. You can enter or paste your script here, and I'll walk you through how to do that. You can also add text, shapes, images, videos, and more to make your content stand out. And if you want to change the avatar, just click here. You even have the option to create your own avatar using your image, which is super cool. Alright, let's go ahead and copy a portion of our script from Google Docs and paste it here. Next, we'll choose a speaker by clicking on this option. Vidnaz AI helps bring your ideas to life with high-quality videos using AI avatars and voiceovers in just minutes. For my video, I'm going with Kevin, but take your time to find a voice that fits your style best. Let's give it a listen.
Welcome to the 2024 Paris Paralympics. The City of Love has transformed into the City of Champions, as the world's top para-athletes go head-to-head for glory.
Wow, it sounds so natural. You might be wondering why the avatar's lips aren't moving yet. Don't worry, that will happen when we generate the video, so no need to stress. You can also adjust the voice settings by tweaking the speed, pitch, and volume to your liking. Plus, you can turn off subtitles if that's your preference. You can change any of the elements like text or images to make everything just how you want it. Now let's move on to the next scene by clicking here. You can delete this scene and create your own if you'd like. Let's copy another portion of the script and paste it here. Notice how the voice is different from the last scene.
No worries.
Let's select our preferred voice again, and this time we'll turn on the option to apply the same voice to all scenes moving forward. Let's hit OK.
Now, let's change the headline.
Copy it from here and paste it into the headline section. Make a few adjustments to get it just right. Next, we'll replace the image by clicking on it, then click the tiny button here to upload a new one. Now, you can choose from these free stock images if you find something that works for you. But if you have your own image, click the upload button and add it in. Once the image is selected, let's add some animation to make it more engaging. Alright, let's create our third scene by clicking here. This time, I won't use any of the templates provided, so I'll select the blank template option. Now, let's hover over another template, click the three dots, and choose replace. I'll search for news templates by typing news in the search bar and picking one that fits our video. I'll make a few adjustments, changing the avatar and updating the text. Once everything looks good, let's hit generate and wait for the magic to happen.
Our video is ready.
Let's check it out.
Welcome to the 2024 Paris Paralympics. The City of Love has transformed into the City of Champions, as the world's top para-athletes go head-to-head for glory. And one sport that has captured everyone's attention is wheelchair basketball.
From August 29th to September 8th, 8 men's and 8 women's teams will compete for the ultimate prize in this electrifying tournament. But there's more to the excitement than just the games.
This is amazing. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. To save the video to your device, just click the download button and select your preferred resolution. What do you guys think about Vidnaz AI? For me, this is one of the best AI tools out there right now. You can thank me later. News channels are always trending, so it's the perfect time to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.